Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile phone Wi-Fi setting, and today video title is guys how to forget Wi-Fi network in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to forget Wi-Fi network in Infinix mobile. So friends, how to forget Wi-Fi network one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting guys, which network friends you have connected in your Infinix mobile and you don't want to use, you want to forget and you want to disconnect. So friends, select your Wi-Fi network. You want to disconnect, you can disconnect Wi-Fi network. After disconnect Wi-Fi network friends, you can check network will saved here. Click here friends, save network. You can check your save network. Again friends, you want to use this network, click here and friends you can again connect this network and you can use it in your Infinix mobile. So friends, you want to forget network, so friends click here forget option. After forget guys, Wi-Fi network will not connect in your device. Again if you click here friends, again you will have to enter password, then again you can use this Wi-Fi network in your device, otherwise you cannot use it. So friends, you want to connect any Wi-Fi network, select your Wi-Fi network. So friends, now I will connect my 5G network. Friends, I have two network. And after connect network friends, you can use internet in your device, you can use Wi-Fi. And you don't want to use, so friends click here forget option. After forget friends, you can see I cannot use this Wi-Fi network and I cannot use this 5G network. Both the networks I have forget. After forget friends, I cannot use. So like that friends, we can forget Wi-Fi network in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.